Welcome back to the Auto World, your go-to destination for the latest in automotive excellence. Today, we're diving into a true icon reborn, the all-new 2025 Mercedes-Benz 280SE. A name that carries decades of prestige, elegance, and engineering perfection, the 280SE returns with a modern twist while staying true to its luxurious heritage. From the moment you lay eyes on the new 280SE, it's clear that Mercedes-Benz has blended timeless design elements with contemporary sophistication. The sculpted body lines, the classic yet modern front grille, and the beautifully integrated LED headlights all signal a perfect balance of tradition and innovation. Chrome accents on the window trim and door handles add a touch of old-school elegance, while the aerodynamically refined body ensures a smooth and efficient ride. Under the hood, Mercedes-Benz offers a selection of powertrains designed for both performance and efficiency. The base model comes with a turbocharged inline-six engine, delivering around 375 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque, providing effortless acceleration and a refined driving experience. For those who crave more power, a plug-in hybrid variant is available, pairing the six-cylinder engine with an electric motor to produce over 450 horsepower, all while offering improved fuel efficiency and an electric-only driving mode for short city commutes. And for the enthusiasts who demand the pinnacle of performance, an AMG-tuned version could be on the horizon, promising an even more thrilling driving experience. Stepping inside, the cabin of the 2025 280SE is a masterpiece of luxury and technology. The combination of high-quality leather, polished wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents creates an environment of pure sophistication. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the stunning 14-inch OLED touchscreen, seamlessly integrated with the latest MBUX infotainment system. With voice commands powered by AI, intuitive navigation, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the system keeps you connected without distractions. The fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays, allowing drivers to tailor their experience to their preferences. Passengers in the 280SE are treated to first-class comfort, with heated and ventilated seats featuring massage functions, ambient lighting with 64 customizable colors, and a premium Burmester 3D surround sound system that delivers an immersive audio experience. The extended wheelbase ensures generous legroom for rear passengers, making long journeys feel effortless. For those who want the ultimate in luxury, an optional executive rear package includes reclining rear seats, a champagne cooler, and individual entertainment screens, transforming the back seat into a private lounge. When it comes to driving dynamics, the 280SE is designed to deliver a perfect balance of comfort and performance. The adaptive air suspension system adjusts in real time to road conditions, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. The latest generation of driver assistance features includes intelligent cruise control, active lane keeping assist, and a semi-autonomous driving mode, making highway travel safer and more convenient. Advanced safety technology, such as automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, ensures that the 280SE not only provides luxury but also top-tier protection for its occupants. Mercedes-Benz has also focused on sustainability with the 2025 280SE, incorporating eco-friendly materials throughout the cabin and optimizing aerodynamics to enhance fuel efficiency. The hybrid variant further reduces emissions, offering an environmentally conscious option without sacrificing power or luxury. As the 280SE effortlessly glides through city streets and highways, it reminds us why this nameplate has been revered for decades. It's more than just a luxury sedan, it's a statement of elegance, innovation, and driving pleasure. Whether you're drawn to its timeless design, cutting-edge technology, or refined performance, the new 280SE is a masterpiece that continues the legacy of Mercedes-Benz in the modern era. What do you think of the all-new 2025 Mercedes-Benz 280SE? Would you choose it over its competitors in the luxury sedan segment? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth automotive content. This is the Auto World, and we'll see you in the next video.